Here's one of the guys that was in that drill. Here comes Point. Point in. Scores!
What a great little move by Brayden Point. A little bit of a fake shot, freeze the goaltender, hang on, and then hang on long enough to get the angle. There's the fake, gets the goaltender to come in. Ullmark does a heck of a job to fight his way back to try and get in position. He does get a piece of it, incidentally knocks it out of the air with his own stick into the net.
And now it comes down to this. David Pastrnak in on Vasilevsky. Stop, and the Lightning win it in a shootout. Andrei Vasilevsky with one more stop on David Pastrnak. And the Lightning take the 2 points tonight with a 3-2 win in Boston.
Vasi made that one look easy against one of the great shooters in the National Hockey League in Pastrnak. Pastrnak was shooting all the way, tried to beat him low on the glove side. Vasi made it look easy. What an outstanding night for number 88, Vasilevsky.
35 saves in the game and a couple more big stops in the shootout.